the courage to continue that counts. With this inspirational quote, I would like to invite Ms. Solia Patel ma'am to introduce great personality who has joined us to make the function more glorious.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Good evening everyone. Honorable Chief Guest, esteemed guest of honor, respected chairman, teachers, principal, parents and dear students. It is indeed a moment of great honor and pride to stand before you today and welcome such distinguished personalities to our annual social gathering. Let us begin by welcoming the dignitary who has honored us with his presence as our chief guest today. First and foremost, we are privileged to welcome our chief guest, Shri Subhash Sudhakar Sampagavi sir, a highly accomplished officer dedicated to public service and administration. He began his academic journey with primary schooling in Mudor and completed high school in Jamkhandi. Excelling in his studies, he achieved a gold medal in BA and further pursued an MA in political science from Jamkhandi. His career in administration started in 1991 as a first division assistant in Sindagi. With his dedication and his hard work, he climbed the rank, serving in various key roles, including establishment case worker at Mahila University Vijaypura, Shirastadar at the Upper Krishna project in Bagalkot, and Tehsildar in multiple regions such as Hungund, Baswana Bagewadi and Chikkodi. His expertise led him to significant roles, including Special Land Acquisition Officer for the Hipparagi project in Athani and the National Highways Authority of India in Dhadwad. Today he holds the esteemed position of Assistant Commissioner and Sub-Divisional Magistrate of Chikkodi. In recognition of his outstanding service, he was recently honored with the Best Electoral Registration Officer Award 2024. By reading your achievement, I want to dedicate one share for you, sir. मंजिल उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है. मंजिल उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है. पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है. Ladies and gentlemen, let us give a grand round of applause as we welcome our honorable chief guest, Shri Subhash Sudhakar Sampagavi sir. Now we have the privilege of welcoming our esteemed guest of honor who has significantly contributed to various fields. ये अलग बात के खामोश खड़े रहते हैं, ये अलग बात के खामोश खड़े रहते हैं, फिर भी जो लोग बड़े हैं वो बड़े रहते हैं. ऐसे दरवेशों से मिलता है हमारा शजरा, ऐसे दरवेशों से मिलता है हमारा शजरा, जिनके जूतों में कई ताज पड़े रहते हैं. With these lines, I want to welcome our first guest of honor, Sameer Kangnodi sir. He is the director of Karnataka Minority Department Corporation and founder of APJ Abdul Kalam Institute, Jamkhandi. His relentless efforts in the field of education and minority welfare have transformed countless lives. His dedication is truly inspiring. A warm welcome to you, sir. तकरीर व मकाले तुमसे, तकरीर व मकाले तुमसे, तहरीर व रिसाले तुमसे, तकरीर व मकाले तुमसे, तहरीर व रिसाले तुमसे, हर फन के उजाले तुमसे, अंदाज निराले तुमसे. तुम रहबर हो मुस्तकबिल के, तुम महवर हो मंजिल के, सालार हो तुम साहिल के, मेहमान हो हमारे दिल के. With this line, I want to welcome Mr. M.S. Sayyed sir, Urf Jawari Kaka. With this we are honored to have Mr. M.S. Sayyed sir, widely known as Jawari Kaka, Vijayawada. His dedication to ethical journalism and truthful reporting has earned his immense respect in the media world. Welcome, sir. कभी फर्ज से कभी दिल से दोस्ती कर ली, ना पूछ कैसे बसर हमने जिंदगी कर ली. कभी फर्ज से कभी दिल से दोस्ती कर ली, ना पूछ कैसे बसर हमने जिंदगी कर ली. अंधेरी रात का मंजर भी खूब था लेकिन अंधेरी रात का मंजर भी खूब था लेकिन तुम आ गए हो तो चिरागों में रोशनी कर ली. With this line, I welcome our dynamic political leader, Mr. Karim Bhai Mestri sir. He served as the state representative of the Maharashtra Congress Committee in Mumbai, and he is a corporator of Sangli Miraj Kupwa City Municipal Corporation. His unwavering commitment to public service and leadership has had a great impact on society. Welcome you, sir. Now we are honored to welcome Haji Samir Sheikh sir, our esteemed chairman, whose vision and leadership have been instrumental in shaping this institution. A warm welcome also to Mrs. Munera Samir Sheikh ma'am, Secretary of Millat Creative English Medium School, whose dedication to education continues to inspire. We extend our heartfelt greeting to the Board of Directors, Mr. Jalal Sheikh sir and Mrs. Sahira Sheikh ma'am, whose invaluable contribution drive our growth and success. Your presence today is a testament to our unwavering commitment to education. Welcome, sir and ma'am. I would like to dedicate few lines to our chairman, sir, and his family. खिजा की रुत में गुलाब लहजा बना के रखना कमाल ये है. खिजा की रुत में गुलाब लहजा बना के रखना कमाल ये है. हवा की जिद पे दिया जलाना जला के रखना कमाल ये है. ख्याल अपना मिजाज अपना पसंद अपनी कमाल क्या है. ख्याल अपना मिजाज अपना पसंद अपनी कमाल क्या है. जो यार चाहे वो हाल अपना बना के रखना कमाल ये है. किसी की राह से खुदा की खातिर उठा के कांटे हटा के पत्थर. किसी की राह से खुदा की खातिर उठा के कांटे हटा के पत्थर. फिर इसके आगे निगाह अपनी झुका के रखना कमाल ये है. हजार ताकत हो 100 दलीलें हो फिर भी लहजे में आजिज़ी से अदब की लज्जत दुआ की खुशबू बना के रखना कमाल ये है. With such esteemed dignitaries gracing our event, today is truly special. Their presence inspires all, adds immense value to this occasion. Let's once again give a huge round of applause for our chairman, chief guest, guest of honor, board of director and our principal sir. Thank you all for being here. We look forward to an exciting and memorable event ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.